Let's get this mamma jamma. I don't know why I said mamma jamma, but let's get this party started, people. Yeah, London was interesting. A little bit of a learning curve slash a little bit cheeky, which is not always the best thing, but it is what it is. Let me just pin this quickly. Anyways, sorry, Sir Bill, what's up? You're the first one here today. How are you? How goes it? How's the trading been? How has this week been treating you? I know it's been treating a lot of people like, garbage. Hey, Laura, how are you feeling? No? Oh, it is. Sorry, I don't know. Did you always have music next to your name? Sorry, that's why I'm like, what? Doing really, but damn. Yeehaw, doing really well. I'm kind of jelly. Hey Juan, how you doing? Debbie, how are you? Oh, really? Why have I already even noticed that Laura Osborne? That is so cool. Are you a singer? Oh my gosh. That is amazing. That makes the throat thing even worse if you are. Oh, please send me. I would love to support you. Do you have like a Spotify? I mean, I use Apple Music even though I have an Android, but I mean, yeah. Day trading to pay the bills. I hear that. Go have fun. Hi, how you doing? How you doing? For everybody, this is for you guys.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Because he's just adorable, let's just be real. But I hope you guys are doing amazing. I'm good. Like I said, I mean, Debbie, you were here. This was an interesting morning. Missed 2 winning trades here. Took a very, very sneaky trade here. This was kind of bad Maya. Shouldn't have actually done that. But it is what it is. And I see now we are back to ranging. So what do we think is going to happen? Do you think this is going to be New York reversal like it's been so often in the past? Or do you think this is going to be continuation until it gets to my point of interest? I don't think it will, but you never know. I don't know if it's going to go high enough to take out all of that. But that being said, look at this freaking push it had during the London session. It was insanity. So quickly mark out here. Yeah, we got our London low over here. London high has already been taken, so it's fine. But here's our London low. Okay. A nice keen point of interest. Now I can just close that. Don't need to see the pivot points anymore. And now we're just gonna have a little bit of a zoom in. I had been checking all the higher time frames obviously this morning during the London session. Do you guys want me to go through the higher time frames again? I do have a point of interest, so let's see. Again, do you guys think this is just going to be continuation to the buy side? Oh, hallelujah. It's actually, guys, it's raining. This whole week has been boiling hot and I've been like waiting for rain and it's finally raining. Ah, sorry. That was very random, but anyways. Selling Nas. Laura, that's what I'm trying to see. Like, again, is New York gonna bring a continuation or a reversal? That's always the big question. Nice pump today, we could stall here. That is true. But that being said, I mean, did the Asia session? I guess it kind of did. The Asia session did also have quite a decent pump, not such a consolidation. So I mean, Asia here consolidated slightly, or stalled, or whatever you want to call it. London had a redonkulous pump. Pump sounds weird, but you know what I mean. So now is it gonna be maybe we do just go sideways. I mean, it is Friday. I know a lot of people don't enjoy trading on Fridays in general, so let's see. A small short. Hey Hobbs, what's up? Welcome back. How you doing? Geordie. How are you? Are you trading today? I guess only if your setup arrives, right? Okay, so fine, you're gonna short this heavy, fake out to the upside, then down to go. So similar to yesterday then. So Bill, is that what you think? Think it's gonna be a fake out, maybe come, ooh, imagine it takes out my point of interest and then we get that proper reversal down. Sorry, I am waiting for it to come and take out my point of interest. I mean, here's yesterday's New York high. So let's see, and this has been, you can see this is my point of interest. I even made another little box here. It's a 4-hour order block that I have indeed marked out. So let's see if, I mean, if it rallies that much, that would be quite impressive. Does one need to invest in MU now? Hey, cute cats. 10 Dom, you thinking it's gonna go short when market opens? Okay, let's see. Hey Franks, how you doing? Stop above 875. Your stop is above 875. Interesting. Let's see what this does. Let's see who's correct. Is this going to be a quick fake out to the buy side before continuation back down? Is this just actually going to be a continuation for Friday to the upside, which is going to be insane? Or is it just going to dump it? Sorry, cute cat. Does one need to invest in MU now? Does anyone here invest, and does anyone here invest in MU? Sorry, like I said, I don't want to give you false information because I'm not sure. I think at the end of the day, you also, sorry, I feel like I'm lecturing you a little bit, but at the end of the day, you must also do your own research. And if you are happy with that and you want to invest in that, you know, go for it. If you've done your research, you know how and what and why. Like I said, have at it. Sorry, I'm having some water. It's been, guys, I nearly didn't make it to the freaking stream today. My car overheated, so I was like stuck on the side of the road, and I was like, all right then. I don't know. Luckily, I just let the car cool down, added some water, and carried on with life. But there was a moment there where I was like, right, this is just not gonna happen. Sorry. It has been a hot day. Anyways, I think go under your zone. What do you mean by under my zone? You think this zone? Talking about these levels? You're talking about this here? Do you think it's gonna go down, sweep some more sell side liquidity? I'm all ears. I'm all ready. Microwave? Whatever. This dropped like a sack of potatoes. That's gonna be interesting. Alright, let's see if you're correct. I'm kind of keen to see. And Microwave believes it's gonna sell off. Holly, you still awake? Did you have a nap or not? No, not at all. Yep, that one. No, interesting. Okay, we have 6 minutes. I'm actually quickly gonna do the daily 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute quickly analysis. Let's do this. So daily. Okay. Said we tapped still. Bit of a rebound, hasn't broken below solidly. I would still like to see it reach this 395 level eventually. I don't think it's gonna happen now anytime soon. This level was still super juicy to me. This 170-ish, but that will have to be a really big rally. That's, yeah, let's see. Went down to here, 025. It took out that 888. Yeah, it took out my 888 level. It got really close to it. So that was awesome. Oh, that is my level. Sorry, that 888 level is the one that I actually have up, which is super, super cool. Like I said, do you think it's going to come back up and mitigate this volume imbalance? Or not really? Anyways, so that's the daily. Let's check out the 4 hour. Damn. Alrighty then. We still got fair value gaps to... Well, we still have a bunch of bearish fair value gaps, but we have now also created a bullish fair value gap. So, let's see how this goes. I'm not gonna pretty correct this week on the overall move. Nope, just jumped in the ice bath. Sorry, I would judge, but I get it. What is higher time frame is back testing. Oh, nice. As one should. Why that level? Which level? Which level, Geordie? Sorry. Which level? I've been talking about a lot. Miss those entries when we had them. That's my, you know, that week I was talking about earlier. You'll never guess where it reversed off of. Where did it reverse off of, Solly? And where it's sitting right now. Show me right side with price. What do you mean? Sorry. Oh, are you on this one? Give me 2 seconds. Sorry, I was messing around earlier, being a little bit sassy. There we go. Like I said, I may or may not have been a little bit of a sassy queen this morning, but it's okay. It is what it is. Justin, Yamaya, you trade the 50-minute open range. I kind of use it as a confidence. I'm forward testing it. Let's put it that way. Moving, you marked it out with like ICT magic. Ooh, okay. So fam, good luck for last open of the week. Okay, we go 24420. Okay, we have 2 minutes to go. What am I on right now? Okay, let's check the 1 hour. I'm quite taken there. 60. Yeah, like I said, I still want to see it go above there. Okay, so 1 hour, 15-minute. Okay. 15-minute awesome source. 5-minute. And then before open, we'll quickly hop back to the 1 minute. Okay. And 1 minute, let's do this. Opening is in 25 seconds, maybe. Okay, let's put these back up. And let's get this party started. Let's do this, let's do this, let's do this. Okay, so we go to 24420. Hello! Mikwawabe, I love that we don't have any secrets anymore. You know, there's no secrets between us. This is a proper family, a family. Just TMI all the time. I love it. Okay, here's the 9:30 open. Let's see what happens. Justin, how are you doing, by the way? How's it going? Is it Nana or Nana? What's up? How are you? Trading minis today. Woo! Okie dokie. Trade the 15-minute open range today. Wait for New York open first 15 minutes and wait for price to break the range up or down. Then place a trade. Wait for candle to close outside the range. So, Justin, I'm assuming you trade 15-minute orb. right? That sounds like the definition of the 15-minute org strategy. OTT. What up? How's it going? For anyone that's just hopped on, this is for you guys.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
How you guys doing? How you doing? Hope you're having an amazing time. Justin, yes. Okay, cool. And have you found great success in it, or I'm assuming you have, right? So here's the 930 range. Real big rejection off of this bob level. No. Sorry, I'm saying oh no to the fact that ES seems stronger than NQ right now. Okay, let's see what happens. There's a little periwinkle. Yes, that's all I trade. And Justin, how long have you been trading it for? 1 hour for value gap about to get hit. Last year I took 13 payout just using the strategy. Damn. Okay, that's impressive. But you wait for like specific market conditions, right? Or me? Sorry, itchy nose. Okay, so over 3 years now. Hello. Solly, he's here just for you. Yep. Yep. Lucky, sweeties. I can't do anything. Bob level touch now. If I broke down, we have continuation to 24,420. Just for you, Solly. Scalping seems better at open if you know the correct direction to go for it. Sure. If you don't, you could get wicked out or screwed very quickly. The main character of the evening. Obviously, we know that. I'm just here. Oh damn. Geordie, did you take that? Scalping. Hey. Diane, what do you mean? Way broke the name of this. Eh? Sorry, what? The 1 hour fair value gap touched. Oh, it's created equal highs. I mean, it respected that really freaking well. Oh, damn. Okie dokie. I know that makes no difference to me and the range was too big, but still. Nice to see. What is this? I don't know, man. Did anyone take that long? Let's just formulate the price break. Hey Roshan, how you doing? Bro, I just wanted to scalp the reaction of the 1 hour fair value gap. And did you? Did you get it? Looks promising though. Okie dokie. Well, this is a first presented fair value gap if I've ever freaking seen it. What is this? I drew it like a chop, but still. Bruh. Okay. That's the first presented fair value gap, people. This is about to be a very, very interesting Friday. Cool. We don't even have a 5-minute range yet. Right. Let's see if we get a rejection off of this. Oh, sorry, I'm just laughing at this. This is insane. What in the holy FU candle is this? Literally. Look at that. What? 185.5 minute candle. That's not normal. Okie dokie then. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. Wait. I pressed enter. Right. Nice rejection there. Sorry, I'm focusing on the charts for once. Believe it or not, it happens now and then. Justin, you're gonna trade it. I put 3 macro limit at the top of the 1 hour fair value gap close for 20 points. I did not expect it to reach the moon. No, sorry, but at least, I mean, still whoop whoop, right? Good probable come back to bob level. Is that Venom model 1 hour fair value gap to happen? A spicy reaction. Market makers clean. Good morning, everybody. First time checking out. Hey, life lesson. What's up? How you doing? Oh, sorry. Life lessons in lines. Sorry, I feel like a butcher. Life lessons in it. Sorry. Wait, just wait. Price will probably pull back and make a range unless we pump higher. You don't only. I'm doing great. Just hop out of a trade. Nice. And whoop whoop, Rashan. Big liquidity void. It's consolidating. Got a new support. Hey, yo, what's up, Mikuave? Okay. Did you hear my comment about how happy I am that we are just so close? I'm just so happy that we are so close now, that we have no secrets. I love it. I'm all for it. But my nose is so freaking itchy. I was at the stables and I was carrying grass and I was carrying on with life. Okay, moving on. It's a good looking trade with fair value gap and order block. Let's see. Like, I don't hate it, but I don't love it either. You know, really good retest back up. There we go. Very nice respect or reaction, whatever you want to call it, off of that first presented fair value gap there. Off to enter at the first fair value gap off of this bob level to bob level would actually be amazing. What's that? You're being so needy. I love it. And I have no filter anyway. That's bad. That's okay then. You'll never guess where this little finish to the tick. Oh my gosh. That's rather impressive. And now we're going back up. Well, not going back up. Now we're still just freaking going. Nice rejection. Bob level first presented. This actually would have been a really nice entry when you see it starting to reject here. Geordie, did you get this? Give me 2 seconds. I'm out. I know when I'm wrong, but that's okay. 9:33 and closed right on the 75% level. That's wrong about what I'm watching. It's going up. 2500 looks promising. Wait, price will pull back. That first presented tap was also aligned with 8:30 AM open price. Nice long there for anybody who caught that. Yacht was first presented on a bob level at the 8:30 AM opening price. Oh, I'm trying so hard not to... There's no news today, right? Before I do something dumb, because, I mean, we know that I do that quite often. But there's no news today or anything like that. Like I said, before I hop into something and I'm a silly goose. I mean, I have 2 confluences for this one, but it might retest further back down. retesting back into the 5-minute, but it's on a bob level. Please come and tap into this order block before we potentially go to the sell side. Let's see. Not quite the rejection you want to see off of this bob level. Okay, so not quite. If it weren't Friday, I'd probably be long, but I don't trust it. That's interesting. Have to come back in, bob level down, and leave their liquidity. There's prelims today, I think 5 p.m. Excuse me? What do you mean there's prelims today? Sorry, my brain went to like high school prelims and I was like, that doesn't sound quite right. Give me a second. News at 3 p.m. Not 5 time. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Supposed to be NFP today. Anyone know why they didn't have it? US government shutdown again. And it didn't properly tap the fair value gap for prelim. Consumer sentiment call. I was like, prelim exams? Back in a short pullback, 50-minute range forming. So this would have made me cry. Sorry, you'll see why I'm distracted now. There may or may not be something exciting. We're going down, don't miss the trade. Let's see, let's see. 50-minute range forming. I need to wait still for confirmation down this Nasdaq market. Looking tempting. Roshan, a little bit, hey, a little bit. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Ah. Sorry, just watching what's happening here. Get that goop, baby. Hey, Ivan. What a weird way to say that. Oh my goodness, get that goop. I've never heard it said like that. Okay, sorry. So the you can see half of my world going on over there. Anyways, so super exciting. That's gonna bug me. There we go. Yay! Ta-da. So super exciting, guys. I'm affiliated with Tradify. I'm officially affiliated with Tradify. So yeah, if you guys are using a Tradify account, or if you want to get a Tradify account, you can use my code. It's teachmy. I did also pin it in the comments above. Sorry, I know you can't see it on the vertical. I apologize. I am not on the horizontal, but I am officially affiliated with Tradify. Okay. I'm aware that it's very lame for me to squeak like that, but it's okay. So yeah, if you guys, there's 30% off all accounts right now happening with Tradify, and you can use my code. It's teachmy, all caps. Like I said, I have pinned it as well. So 30% off all accounts, or 40% off 150k select accounts for this Feb sale that is officially now live. But yeah, so the offer ends on the 15th of Feb. I'm super excited, but I'm officially with Tradeify. Sorry, so that was that spiel. Moving on. I'm using Tradeify account. I just bought one. Can you ask them for my money back? There we go. Emma, it's been a while. How's it going? Oh, good, good. VTO Trader, I do. What's up? How you doing? You look really excited. You look good. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. Oh, damn. So this actually would have worked. I don't think I would have trusted this, but it would have worked. I know. Don't shoulda, coulda, woulda. I get it. It wasn't A+. It had 2 confluences. I mean, look how close that got. It could have so easily retested back down into the first presented fair value gap. Let's just be real. With the full range, oh, would have missed the full range as well. That would have hurt my feelings. Anyways, let's see. Sorry, that was the big news that I was super excited about. VTO Trader, I was so close. I was like $400 away from being funded. Like I was 1 trade away from being funded, and then essentially this week in the chaos with the news and happened, and it just hasn't been my week. So no, I went down a little bit. I had a nice little partial and break even earlier, so getting back there. No, thanks, Ninja, you're such a sweetie. Might still get stopped out. That's actually a really big achievement. Oh, thank Michael. I appreciate it. Hey Abraham, how are you doing? I wouldn't have entered the market and retest the fair value gap. Oh, thanks VTO Trader. It's okay. I mean, so my balance, I don't know if you all can see it. It's at 52,125 now. Like I said, it was so close, and then just a bad week, and now I did have that nice little win. So it did, you know, like I said, it feels like it's that 3 steps forward, 1 step back situation. So I'm in the 1 step back. So hopefully the next is the next steps forward. That would be exciting. But shoot. Stop talking, Maya. Maybe you won't miss trades. No, I wouldn't have taken that. If I'm being honest. Here's the 15-minute range. What in the 15-minute range is this? Seriously? Here's my point of interest. And into this order block. You can see I've marked out this order block. It's a 4-hour order block over there. Let's see if it goes up into it. My first percentage wasn't set. Right, OTT? It was amazing. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I feel really bad. Kind of strange question, but do you sometimes trade against the momentum? I may or may not have done that today, which is not necessary. It's not a good thing. I shouldn't have done that, but I did do it earlier. I traded the retest. You can see here, I traded the retest, and essentially my TP was at the 50% or 50% retest of this range. It just didn't make it. Like I said, it took out my partials before taking me out of break even, and that's fine. That long last night at 1 AM was okay, good, yes. We're now slowing down 50% of that wick again. Why was that wick so important? Maybe that's a dumb question, but why was that wick so important? I see mining stocks and crypto crept back up this morning. What's happening? Is it just retesting the crazy bearish momentum? Are we just having a little bit of a reversal before we continue to the bearish side, or are we now correcting? You have a hot mom build. Interesting. Anyways. Uh, 24980 is my TP. Yeah, so basically this order block, right? Essentially this order block. Nice, nice, nice. It's called a premium wick. Premium wick, okay. I'm gonna research. I'm gonna do homework, Solly. Sorry, I have to be sassy back to you, fair's fair. Okay. Okay, now we're slowing down. I need a proper break above. Like that, that was better. But unfortunately, this is going to tap into my point of interest, which is not ideal. Would have been... Oh well. Hey, Chris, what's up? Daily chart, got that muscle. Shortcoming, I do that question. I don't think anyone knows at this point. Weird times. Might end up looking for longs depending on this 4-hour candle closure. 249.80 hit. Boom. Nice, Justin. Well done. That was my point of interest. I was correct. Sorry, I know that's such a weird thing to be super chuffed about, but I was correct. It doesn't happen often, so let me have this. Amazing. There was my... Literally, this blue line was... Oopsies, not that one. We might potentially go higher into that, but yeah, that blue line was my main point of interest. Let's see if we end up going bob level to bob level now. New York high was also taken, so there's been a lot of buy side liquidity happening over here. That being said, hear me out, Justin. Are you doing the 15-minute or the 5-minute? Because it sounds like you were using the 5-minute chart instead of the 15-minute chart. Hey, Cookie from BR, what's up? How you doing? Chart. Hey, Manav, how you doing? You're on US 30 right now, 1-minute chart. Nice. At least I know this. Sending you over there. What? Sending you over there in what way? It's always good to see your ideas play out or not. I mean, it's nice to see them play out. It just sucks to not be in the trade while they're playing out. I'm good. I had no trading week this week. Busy time at work. Ah, oh, ew. Sorry, Chris. Don't worry, you haven't missed much. This week has been... Sure, we can call it fun. We can call this week fun. Not at the right level there. Not ideal there. Did this weekend to the 50% of this level? It did just... Literally just. To see a rejection here would not be surprising. Like I said, that is the 4-hour order block. Alexander, what's up? How you doing? How am I? I'm good, thanks. How are you? And I am from South Africa. How you doing?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
If I could. 50-minute, but when I use 5-minute and 2... Okay, Justin, you have officially lost me. I'm very confused. You're gonna have to explain a little bit further, please. How's your trading week so far, Maya? Not great, but it's fine. Hey, Maya, do you pay $7 per $1 or do you get it through your trading platform broker? $7. I think if a long candle wick develops at the top, that's probably cash out time. I mean, that was a very heavy rejection off of that order block. Like I said, it did tap into my point of interest. If I see a solid rejection here, I will not be surprised. But that being said, it then goes against the 15-minute. So, let's see what happens here. Is this just gonna go all the way through? Oh, this would have been such a quick stop loss. No, sorry, I lie. This would have been such a quick stop loss, literally in and out. That would have that would have been a quick stop loss. Cool. Listen to your points of interest, people. You're right, it's crazy what happens when you start to listen to the higher time frames as well. Interesting. Anyways. Retest of 15-minute range. If rejection takes place in... Will take another long. But what are Bob levels? Okay, so... Bob level... How do I explain it? So Bob is one of the amazing viewers. He's been like... the day one. Mad love for him. And he did a lot of research. It's basically... volume profiles, but how do I explain it? Volume profiles, but worked out specifically for MNQ. Like they are specific. Sugar honey iced tea. Let me try and think of a. He explains this obviously really well. I'm not great at explaining it. It's just, like I said, it's volume profiles, but it's volume profiles that stay there forever. They are never mitigated. They work out forever, and you can almost calculate in the future what's going to happen. Now and then you have to update them. Obviously, you know, volume profiles change according to the markets, and then you update them. But the gap between and the range of the Bob levels are always the same on MNQ. The level at which your Bob's... Solly, don't be surprised. I listen to you guys. Why? I'm so surprised. Anyways. Such an amazing short idea, but I don't know if I should take it being 4 minutes away from news. I mean, do you risk it for the biscuit on a Friday, or do you just kind of be like, nah, maybe not? Shoot, this does look good. Shoot, this does look good. Back down to the first presented. You want slow up, fast down. Back down to first presented. Oh my gosh, this is right on the Bob level as well. This retest here, this would actually be really nice. Sugar honey iced tea, is it worth it if the news is in 2 minutes? Maybe not. Large time frame volume profiles. The week we have been having, I'm on paper right now. That's valid. What are you keen on seeing on the paper though? No. Okay. Still don't hate it, but you know, let's see. Just wait it out. No, you're right. 2 minutes till news. Hi, now go hands off. Why have you guys got to be the voice of reason? Ugh. Just let the degen out. No, I'm joking. Don't do that. Day. Discipline. There we go. Stay disciplined. That was it. That was it. It took me a minute, but it's okay. Anyways. Let's see. Let's see. Bounty on my head. You're looking for shorts. Now that it tapped into that 4-hour order block. Okay, screw this. I have a bri going on. Toodles, guys. Aw, bye, Jordy. Mad love. Enjoy the bri. What a South African. Anyways, no, I'm joking. I'm just kidding. Oh, if it had retested, that would have been so nice. Oh well. Here's the news. Also, OTT, can I just say how rude that we weren't invited to the bri. I'm just saying, I'm a little bit offended right now, but it's fine. We can stay below it. Okay. If it doesn't break structure on the 1 hour. Partial taken at 8:30 a.m. Noise. Let's see, here's the 10. Oh, sorry. Need water. Before I forget, just in case you guys missed it. Officially, I am affiliated with Traderfy while we're waiting for this to calm down. So if you guys use Traderfy, or if you guys want to support me and use and get a Traderfy prop firm account, there is a 30% sale going on for all. Let me double check this. You drink a lot of water. I do. So here we go. 30% off all accounts. You can use Teach Maya. That's my code. I did also pin it. All caps. And 40% off 150k select accounts. So that is super duper cool. I am so excited. I have been waiting to be affiliated with them because they're such a good prop firm. So I'm over the moon right now. So yeah, if you guys want to show some support, if you guys use Traderfy, don't forget to use my code. Just saying, there's some awesome discounts going on currently. I will also post this in the Discord. Sorry, I know the vertical stream can't see this, but I'm showing people how it looks right now. Found me at Traderfy. I'm not taking any trades until price breaks the 15-minute range to the upside or downside. Short, what prop firm? Yeah. Microwave. No, there's actually not much. There's not a lot of people support me. Oh, no, I'm messing with you guys. You guys do what you gotta do. Okay. So back into that first presented fair value gap. Let's see if we're going to start dropping lower and lower. Solly, I know you said you took the short, which is awesome. If this had retested, that would have been such a beautiful short. I really like the short, but it didn't retest high enough. So it is what it is. Let's see if it's going to reject off of the first presented again. That'll be very interesting. I don't know if it will. Life lessons. Do I have a course? No. Let me rephrase that. Not yet, but if you have any questions and you want to get started, feel free to join the Discord. Like I said, let me actually also get the Discord link up in this Mama Jamma. Here we go. Here is the Discord link. You guys are more than welcome to join, and if you have any questions, please feel free. Even if you just want to know where or how to get started, I you know, always want to help people where I can. 11k subs saying no one supports.
Emotional damage.
That was rude, boom. But whatever. Moving on. I was about to get my time. Oh goodness. On paper though, I spent all my mental capital, my 2 lessons in Asia session. That's okay, Solly. Does it make you feel a little bit better taking it though? Making another consolidation, it seems okay. Break even partial. Whoop whoop. OTT, that is amazing. That is amazing. Why did it not send on the other chat? Did it? It didn't pop up there. Let me just send it again. Sorry. I don't know if it popped up or not. Ninja. No, what happened? What happened? New hand, new to trading. I do not know where to start. What do you trade? Forex. Hey, Salam. No, I actually trade the Nasdaq futures. Yeah, how you doing? What's up? So new to trading, you don't know where to start. Feel free to hit me up in the Discord. I will help you. Yeah, as much as I can, because I know it's very overwhelming when you start out. I understand. Since I've been watching Trek with Pinocchio, try not to lie. I was quite nervous. Entered when I saw 10 a.m. news was useless plus 50 I can breathe. I don't care what happens now. OTT, well done. I taught myself how to trade. Why do I trade futures? So life lessons, sweet and well, number one, what do you trade? Second of all, sweet and simply, damn, NQ is a whole lot stronger than ES today. ADHD, sorry. So sweet and simply, it's what my friend who introduced me to trading introduced me to, and especially just being on the micros, especially micro Nasdaq, it helps you not blow through your capital, especially while you're figuring things out. While you're figuring out how the markets work, while you're figuring out your strategy, essentially, but it helps you trade live, but using the prop firm. So that's basically it. There's no other reason apart from it's just what I started with, and it helped preserve capital. I rejected off that wick again. Then my proposition: once we are profitable, we build the biggest trading school ever seen and explain it like normal people without the BS. Mikawabe? I love that. I absolutely love that. Hey Ankit, am I winning, son? Not quite this week. I mean, I had a partial and a break even earlier. I won't call it winning. If this had retested higher up, I would have taken that trade. And if there wasn't, well, I mean, the news did nothing, but still, there wasn't news, that would have been awesome. This is now just running away to the sell side. Ooh, is it going to go back down to VWAP? Okay, give me a second. Let's get some higher time frame confirmations. It's like it's still going down. Yeah, literally tapped into this order block. Just below here, 24700 would be nice. If it's just a retest. Yeah, 24700 into VWAP here at what? Where is this? Where's this? 688. I'll be keen to see it get down there. And if it's going to be a continuation to the sell side, we're going to see it drop solidly now. Or else this will be the reversal back up to mitigate some more, balance out the market slightly more. 1 hour. That's what I would like to see. Yeah, 268. Ah, 668, sorry. Literally tapped into this order block. Okay. Like I said, if this is just a retracement back down, to see a little bit more. Okay, 1 hour, let's check the 15-minute. $668 on the higher time frames. Yeah, basically just below this wick. Cool. Mitigate a little bit of that. The ideal. Look how it tapped right there. Sorry, I'm talking to myself. I know I do that sometimes. Okay. So 668 on the higher time frame is good. I see this has pushed up slightly higher, so maybe not push it too much, but around that level, but it gives me at least a little bit of an idea. And back 1 minute. See if we get a rejection off of here. Slight. Cool. Cool. We are still stuck in this range. Let's see. Hey yo, Shawnee, what's up? How's it going? I just hope this funded account ain't a scam. DJ? Okay, I'm all ears. I'm all ears. I want this trade over and done with. I want to PUBG, OTT. You're supposed to love the charts, not be all keen for it to just get over with. You can do it, Maya. All the best to you, sending positive vibes. Oh, Ankit, you're such a sweetie pie. I really appreciate that. When you're gonna come dark side MES Mikuwave? I probably should have. You know that my trade earlier would have worked out beautifully on ES earlier. Where was it? I did that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Mother fluffer. Oh well. I'm going on Tradeify and I've always not many traded stock option, but I'm learning futures are so much better. Life lessons, there we go. With regards to the spread, futures are a lot better. Yeah. But yeah, like I said, if you want a discount, there is a 30% discount on all. You can use my code, it's TeachMaya. Hilarious scene, also the scene like you're wearing women's lime. Just like that girl who treats you amazing, you know, the one for you in queue is your sneaky link. You guys are so cheeky. Hey, Uniting Religions, what's up? I don't know, I've had some pretty dark days on MES. I mean, that's valid. That is valid. I just sometimes feel like it respects the levels. Maybe I should. Man, I just want to pass this. No, that's the wrong mentality. Just see, my brain's going, I just want to pass this eval because I really wouldn't mind trading MES, but I stick with what I say, and I said I wanted to be good with one asset first before I started jumping around. Break even hit. No! United Religions, obviously, I'm always here. Southpaw, what's up? What did I say? What language did I say? Did I swear? Did I swear? Southpaw? What did I do? I'm doing the Alpha Futures 50k challenge. I've heard fund accounts are scams. People pass the test, but they don't give the account to the traders even though they're clean. Why are you using that? Okay, but DJ, why are you using them then? Now NQ won't leave me alone. Oh, I'm so sorry. If funded accounts aren't scams, it seems too good to be true. Okay, thanks, Solly. Awesome. I'm glad that was the same question I had. If it's a bit of a scammy situation, why? Would I've trusted it coming off of this? It's in this range. It's literally tapping off of the 930 as well. Okay, it's not ideal. It's in the range. For NQ not healthy, that's betting. I'm on Alpha and on a funded 50k account. Did you see that too short I sent to the Discord about NQ? Really? Sorry, because I don't have any other options. I'll start with my own money, but I don't have constant income. I don't want to be doing demo accounts anymore. A person explaining how trading is set up, miss, and by who and their intentions are. Okay, Renai, what? Southpaw, now you're making me question things. Do I have to put myself in a timeout again? I already had to put myself in a timeout twice times this morning. I was being very sassy this morning, so then I felt really bad, so I literally put myself in a 1 minute timeout because I was like, okay, I need to stop being like that. And we're stuck in a range again, woohoo! So fun. I mean, yeah. And funded accounts aren't basically. You didn't send. No, that wasn't very long. Don't worry. DJ top step Tradeify. Yep, you'll have more fun playing. We know it's rigged. That's why we trade. ICT. Good grief. Basically, the guy was saying he survived 2 tours of Nasdaq. Mikuwave. That is hilarious. I'm gonna have to go check it out after this. Sorry, like I said, I was in the middle. Well, after trading London, I then went to the stables, and on the way there, my car overheated, and I was like, huh, cool. So I was like stuck on the side of the road for a little bit, and then luckily it cooled down, and then I made it, and then it was fine, and then I managed to get home, so it was fine. But there was a moment there where I was like, I'm actually not gonna be able to trade today. Well, am I even gonna be able to trade today? Look at this freaking price action. Huge, like, damn, I think Sir Bill called this. He said, fake out to the buy side, and then we're gonna drop down. Well, indeed. Okie dokie. 668 was what I was keen on, but obviously this is lifted slightly. Oh man, but it's just below the freaking 15-minute. It's in this range, man. Guess you would then want to see it properly. I think this is just going to be boinging between, which is very frustrating. That's not what you want to see. What did I just read?
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Did you guys see that? Was it just me? But what? What? Anyways, review accounts and mans. That's a good start. The chop is real. Yes, it is. No, the basic thing I was saying is survived to. But you didn't mean to research one time accounts to be trusted. I trusted two of my friends who haven't had a problem with alpha futures. Oh, there we go. Short's valid. This just looks choppy to me, but let's see. I don't know people who trade on alpha as well. I thought you had some inside information about alpha, which is also really good. In fact, there we go. Do we have alpha futures here in SA, OTT? Haven't really heard of them. We inverted the 15-minute value gap. Cool, hard life when it's too hot. Well, I'm sitting here shivering with only 2 layers on. If I was there, I'd probably have 15 layers on and still be complaining. Just saying. Do some good for the peopleness and watch your luck increase. Okay. Did you read the last time? Mr. Freaky Boy's not gonna lie. I was like, what the heck, man? 2026 has been slow on the freaks. I would think that you would be happy about that, not like, oh, damn. Did you see my comment from your earlier stream that I was on a live stream with a live streamer while you were streaming? I had a few too many, so it's probably ready. Southpaw, what did you... No, what did you say, Southpaw? What did you say? I kind of want to know now. 2026 mid, no creeps to ban, no excitement. What a weird statement to say. Just saying. What a weird thing to say. Check out this full range again. I would not want to take this, and that definitely would have stopped me out. Cool, cool, cool. Alpha Capital Futures is UK based prop. Ah, okay. House always wins. JJ, what's up? We got a clean vert stream before GTs. Ah, I missed it. What did someone say? Let's find this. Maybe he didn't mean it. Maybe there was a miscommunication because I'm assuming he's not English. But let me read this so that I wasn't the only one that had to deal with this. I eat you out though, miss, anytime, anywhere, lol. With a little palm and a heart. Anyways, moving on. That was it. I wonder why YouTube isn't pushing your stream out to the freaky boys anymore, because their dev's still out there. Maybe it's because David kept banning them. So it was like, okay. I was on for a couple of hours, so I said a lot. Oh. Please give me an example. Please give me an example. Please give me an example. Also, who was it? Wasn't me. You didn't say anything to me. No, you did. Yesterday you did, but nothing outrageous. You were really tame. Maybe tame is the wrong word. Sorry, I know I'm not really trading. It's stuck in this 15-minute range. I think it's just gonna be ranging here, which kind of sucks. But I mean, that being said, I guess I am in the green for today, so it is what it is. Beautiful. That was poetic. I know, right? His dad was stunning green. See? That's hilarious. Oh, goodness gracious. That is too funny. He'd be on that watermelon age. Honey fan club, what's up? How you going? How you going? How you doing? I mean, how's it going? How you doing? How? It's fine. Brain malfunctions is what we live for. Anyways, let's do this. Nice rejection. Like I said, check out this rejection on MES. Maybe I really should consider MES. It is still stuck in a range though. That would have taken me out. This would have... I mean, this... partial break even, so that would have been a partial break even, so we're still bullish. Interesting. I really thought that this was gonna start being... I don't want to say the turnaround point because that's not correct at all. The reversal, there we go. Turnaround point, reversal, same thing. We break 24920. Hopefully we break higher. Yeah, I agree. I do indeed agree with you. Let's see if it does though. Let's see if we do indeed break above. If not, I agree that it is confirmation for bulls, but ooh, what if it is going to the watermelon Asia high? Watermelon. I'm gonna get copyrighted for singing that. Moving on. I think he got embarrassed on that, maybe. Yes, MES, please. MES, but it won't be alone. You're not alone. Oh my gosh, where's apple butter gone? Apple butter? Apple butter jeans. Stop. Anyways. ES is nice. NQ is like being in a park on fire, and ES is sunshine and rainbows. I'm not sure I communicated what I told while I was with the streamer here on the ship. I was helping him keep up with comment section. His followers got me to sing at one point. Wait. So you were on a live stream? Southpaw, please send me the link. I have to see it, please. Please send it to me. Please. Please send it to me. I have to see it. I have to witness this. You can't tell me that there's something like this out there and now I cannot see it. That's mean. Please. Even if you send me the link, like privately send it to my email, I'm so excited. I'm gonna go watch the heck out of that. You'll probably thrive down in the gulag. It's all stinky and dark and wet down there. Miko Wave, that was pretty tame compared to some of the unhinged things we have heard on this channel, believe me. So I got way too overexcited about potentially being able to witness some absolute chaos. But that being said, that's what we live for here on TMT. That's now stuck in my head. Ooh. We're just gonna range for the rest of the session, aren't we? Who thinks this is just gonna continue ranging? That sounds like David's house.
Emotional damage.
That is hilarious. Yeah, then it'll do its thing at 2. I'm not here at 2 p.m., man. That's it, I'm sending this to Harry. Stop copyright, you know, McPow. Why would you do that to me? That's mean. I don't know how to link. How I'm on an iPad. I can tell you his channel. The session is 6.5 hours long. Bruh, were you on it for the whole time? Okay, we were talking about weird boys and then all of a sudden they came back. Why would I dance for you? Anyways. Okay, Southpaw, what's the name? I think it just doesn't make sense to me how the people who make the funded accounts make an income. Just waiting patiently for a break. Either side. Justin, me and you both. I'm still a little tipsy. No. I never would have guessed. I never would have guessed Southpaw. At least you're having fun. I might actually have a chance to make money then. I'm English. We all know each other. Yeah. There's a group chat. I love it. Anyways, not the whole time. Ah, okay. Why? Oh, you're not on it the whole time. Well, I'm just gonna have to then like fast forward through it. It's okay. I'm looking at making 6% in 2.5. Well, nearly 2.5 weeks. Hands off, Gabriella. So who's Gabriella? Hey, Lukey. What's up? Where you been? How's it been going? Has work been working you hard? It's a weird thing to say, but you know what I mean. Oh man. Okay. But again, it's still in the range, so it wouldn't have been ideal. Wouldn't have been optimal. Leave it alone. Don't do dumb things. Be a good little trader. Wait for it to break out of the chop. It's a good thing I'm not in a screw it mood, or else I may have just been an absolute goof and taken some really bad trades for the heck of it. It is? What song is it? Now I kind of want to listen to the song. In my regular, like I don't drink that much. Oh, got it. Okay, but Southpaw, what's the name? Is that the name? What a weird name. Okay, but I'll... What a weird name. Also, why was he live for 6 hours? That's... or 6.5 hours. That's really long. If you blow an account, don't hit reset 10 times a week. Working hard or hardly working, who knows? That's valid. Your bias is bull. I agree with you. Well, I had my point of interest. It tapped into it, had a bit of a retest, but I kind of thought it would maybe drop a little bit lower. It did not. I'm sorry, I have hiccups. I'm waiting for it to break out of this. Me and Justin are oh so patiently waiting. That's okay. Daddy's money's to burn. I'd love to know what books you have on your bookshelf. Cat's Eye, Gabrielle. Well, now I gotta listen to that, seriously. I got a bunch of things I gotta go and listen to. I showed you one of the books earlier. Subscribers really engaged with him. I was surprised. Oh, that's awesome. Unlike you guys no, I'm joking. That was the sassy coming out. I'm so sorry. You guys definitely don't suck. You engage with me. Amazing. I love you guys so much. Please don't hate me. I take it back. Okay, missed. You don't even have to say it. I'll put myself in a timeout for a minute. That's on me. That's on me. Give me a second. Let me get my... Okay, 1 minute timeout. Okay, slot machines. We left the casino around 5 AM. What? Maya is a great example of risk management. She only trading small contracts. Ninja? That's gambling. How many people try and do that? A few. Huawei? Okay, I'll put myself in a timeout for a minute because that was really mean of me and I feel really bad. You know that you guys engage and I was just being... So I put myself in a timeout because I was really, really mean and Southpaw said that, oh, you know, his viewers really engage with him, it's awesome. And I was like, yeah, unlike you guys. And I was being sassy and it was unnecessary because you guys do engage with me a lot and I love you guys madly, which is why I put myself in a timeout. So, back to, where'd you go? I'm blind without my glasses. Do I have a trade active at the moment or am I just waiting? I am waiting for it to break above the 15-minute. Or it could just be ranging until the PM session. I'm hoping we get a break above and we get confirmation of a bullish market. That is what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for the confirmation. Is it gonna happen? Maybe not. Look at it go freaking bob level to bob level. That's very frustrating. Anywho, yeah, that's why I put myself in a bit of timeout because I was rude for literally no reason. I was being super sassy for literally no reason. But anyways... Ninja, wait. The first shady thing is letting you trade 5-minute contracts on a 50k. Lately you can blow 50k in 1 minute using 5 minutes on MQ. I thought 2 micros, that's risky. Joe, what do the bottom bars indicate? These bottom ones? Are you talking about these? These are volume. Yeah, is that what you were asking? These do indeed be the volume. I'm just gonna wear these because it is indeed Valentine's month. I don't know if you guys care about Valentine's or not, but hence the little hearts and everything. It is Valentine's month, so we're gonna do it. Also, DJ, I'm just putting it out there. I am highly upset with you that you're not gonna support me and use a Tradeify account. I'm just saying. Wow. What? No, I'm joking. I'm just messing with you. You do what works for you. Again, it's still in the range, you know, woulda, shoulda, coulda. Was it even an A+? I mean, it wasn't inverse fair value gap. On the 1 minute inverse fair value gaps don't mean that much though, but still. But there was a fair value gap. Volume profile. First presented. The first presented was okay. I don't know if it would have bounced off of that. I mean, it would have worked, but was it an A+? Potentially not. Here we go. We're finally breaking above this thing. Let's do this. Let's see if we get a little bit of a retest here. This could be decent. Okay. Did go below there. Wanted to go... if it could break up a tiny bit more, that would be better. A little bit more before it retests. I would really, really like that. Really break above this level. I should probably put my glasses back on now that it's actually done what I wanted it to do. Oh my goodness, the world's not pink and rainbow starshines, butterfly, unicorn farts. Let's do this. If you watch the stream, go to the last 2 hours to hear me. At one point, I'm on camera. Ooh, I get to see what's up. Oh my fuck! Absolutely. I'm in a long position from the bottom side of the fair value gap and hoping hitting 24920. Nice. I'm assuming it hit. So whoop whoop. Well done. Turtle on Ice, what's up? Long time no see, what's up? After that downfall, things are going back up now. Had to take some profits. I think it should be rewarded instead of... What, me being sassy? Credify, too expensive. I hear you, I hear you. I guess that's valid. Justin, you're in a buy. Midpoint of daily wick and midpoint of 1 hour fair value up, stacked up at 249.30. And 25951. So it's in that range right now. Yo, Valet, whoop whoop, that is amazing. Super, super proud. Welcome. You haven't really spoken before, have you? Are you new here? This is literally just for you. Well done on that win. Like I said, if this just broke above slightly higher, I would prefer that and then a retest. I feel like the retest is a bit too soon for my liking, but anyways. Whoop whoop, just for you. Do I do music reviews? I do not do. I mean, I could if you really want me to. I could be super judgy, but I don't. Credify is on par with most others and their rules are more relaxed. Yeah, like I said, I even had a meeting with them, so that's why I had to go at the end of the stream yesterday. I actually had a meeting with them. And they said, unless you're basically committing fraud, you're gonna get your payout. I have a song with a super chat. Okay. Televised quotes. What? Play a track of mine for $4.99. I don't got that. Anyways, if it breaks above these levels, I might start looking for longs. I'm old and a bit intoxicated. That's what I look like. I'm super excited. Southpaw. I'm so excited. I have it saved. You best believe I'm going to be watching it. Oh, on your channel. Oh, okay, got it. Do you only use 1 minute chart or do you pan out to 15-minute charts to see a bigger picture? Tom, I pan out too. Recently the daily. I never used to do the daily, but daily, especially beginning when I start with the London, but daily 4 hour, 1 hour, 50-minute, 5 minute, 1 minute. Yeah. Hence why you can see here, this is actually the 4 hour. Sorry, that was my dog pretending like life is just so difficult. This is the 4 hour order block that I actually marked out. You can see it tapped into it and instantly rejected off of it, which was awesome. Hey Milo, what's up? How you doing? Tom Riley, wow. Sorry, is that a lot? I feel like maybe that's a lot. Now you got me questioning my life choices. I'm joking. I'm just messing. I want more of a break above this level, please. Please. I want a solid break out of this 15-minute structure, or else I'm not gonna get into it. Coming back down. Oh, this is a real patience like game today. I'm not gonna lie, this is proper patience. Patience pays though. It's what does some guy say? Patience. I'll send a super chat. What if I do the same to you? Like I said, unfortunately, I don't got that right now. A lot of to only trade 1 minute me things. Really? It's to get a point of interest, essentially daily bias, where it could be headed towards. It just gives you maybe a sense of a direction where it could reject off of as well. So yeah, it is a lot, but the more information you have to make it more accurate is also ideal. Someone said I sound like I time traveled from the 80s. Oh! I did not, Bohara. I'm assuming you did. Did you take the trade? Hey Jeff, what's up? Have patience or be a patient. That was quite brutal. That was pretty brutal. I like it, but that was pretty brutal. It's going great. I'm looking at how the NQ reacts on hard level. What do you mean by hard level? Sorry if that's a dumb question. More info for me just makes decisions more difficult. I hear you. I hear you. It's a bit of a... I feel like it's a bit of a double-edged sword. Yeah, double-edged sword. Yeah, a bit of a double-edged sword. It's good to have the information and have an idea of where it might go. Is it always going to go there though? No, but it gives you a bias. Obviously, don't stick to your bias. If the day shows that it's doing something else, then go with, you know, trade what you see. But sometimes it's nice to then see like, like with Solly's wick. Debbie, you're amazing! Okay, huge shout out for Debbie. Huge. Aw. Thanks, Televised. Okay, wait. 2 shout outs then. Huge shout out for Debbie, because she said she's going to get a Traderfy account using my code. So, huge shout out. You are amazing. Mad love to you. Thank you for the support. And another whoop whoop for Televised for the super chat. Much love. Much appreciated. I do appreciate the super chat. I will go check out your channel. Okay, I promise. I'll go check out your channel. Let me... So there we go. You get 2 fireworks. Fireworks for Debbie and fireworks for everyone else. Damn, it's really stuck in that level. Justin, I'm probably gonna get stopped. How tight is your stop? Yes. How much money did we make today? Robocop? Is this a we situation? When did we become the royal we? Ooh, okay. A little bit better. Break above. This is now better. This is now better. I like this more. 1, 2, 3. I prefer this for an entry. Okay. Let's do this. It might be a little bit sketchy, but I prefer this and how it's broken out of this. Okay. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to here. 220. Okay, let me actually not give away everything that I made today. Let's try and keep it. So let's rather make it 3. I know it's mitigating slightly, but like I said. Okay. Let's see if it takes out slightly before going to the upside again. If we can just break 25920. Driven by purpose. You think this is gonna dump? Really? Why? I wonder if it has enough steam to go up to Monday. Wait a minute. I love how this is becoming a thing. I don't know. I really don't know if it does. And that's right by this. Oh, this could be quite nice if it does. If it does being the keyword. 40 points. I think Nasdaq is either gonna increase a bit or decrease a lot. Interesting. Aw, thanks Televised, you're such a sweetie pie. It's some karaoke. You carry the cookies? That's cool. I also sing karaoke. I'm not very good though. Another shout out, by the way, for the super chat. Again, you get it's an explosion of happiness. Sorry. Yes, we're pushing 40 points up. I'm trying to put some karaoke. Price slowing down. Tom, shh. how many stop loss ticks do I use? Driven by purpose, it depends on the range. So mine is auction market theory and it's based on the range. This one is, wait, I can tell you how much this one is. Don't ask me why, that's stuck in my head. No, sugar honey iced tea. Seriously? Seriously? Over 20 bars. Sorry. Over 20 points. Why am I seeing this person reduce OTT? No, it's not because I feel I need to reduce cons, it's because I'm keeping... how do I put this? I'm keeping the profits that I made from this morning. That's the only reason. So I had the amount and I said, no, let's maybe not be silly goose. And oh, it's creating an SMT. It has created an SMT on ES. Okay, let's keep watching. One of the followers was from area I'm from, so you started questioning about people I may know. I ended up knowing someone. Oh, no way, that is hilarious. ES took the high up there. I saw that. Bearish SMT on ES, thank you. Momentum is down for the 4 hourly frame and possibly reverse the momentum up down in the hourly frame. How good so she's not today, Laura. I love that. Laura, also, do you have like I don't know, do you have a YouTube of you singing or something, or is there any way I can support? I would love to support. This is better, but now come back and tag me in, please. Whee. Come back and tag me in, please, and then continue. Let's do this. Hey, Rockstar, what's up? How you doing? I'll boost the rating. Want to short Nas right now? Anyone else? Oh, damn, Laura. Okay, so you're wanting to short. I'm looking for longs. Cool. That's the thing. Keep for the trade. Don't take the trade. Be done for the day. Justin, no, here's my trade. This, I needed to retest one more time before continuation back up. Enter on the 50%. Oh, grief, so it's not upbeat or anything. That's okay, though. Justin, what's up? Why are you saying Maya to me? Now I'm scared. I feel like I'm about to get told off. I still like it, let's leave it. 2,500 incoming. I have to go eat breakfast before they start serving lunch. Cheers, Southpaw, enjoy. You sound like you're having so much fun. I'm so jealous. Oh, I hope you're having the best time, Southpaw. Yeah, prices are getting exhausted quick. 200 profit, thank you very much. Nice, John. Whoop whoop, that is amazing. Oh, no. Sugar honey iced tea. Good grief, but I still like the things that are there. Let's see if it works out or not. Okay. That was a very big drop. Bigger drops have happened. Solly? So Tom is a shorten. So Tom is fading me. That's rude. Whatever. Whatever. Back up to there would be ideal. Bit of a retest down there. Then pump back up. What I want to see. Let's see if it happens. Could reverse and take a short too. Or I'm invited back to the stream again for tonight, so I may be live again around 10 Central Time. Was this week before it dropped? Yeah. Oh shoot. On ES. Good grief. I don't know how I feel about this 15-minute orb thing. Oh well. I waited and waited and waited, and it's fine. Because it took out SMT there. That's what I need to also keep in mind. Let me take notes quickly of this and this and this. I want to see a break above there. Did not break above there. This is gonna freaking go bob to bob and then continuation back up, isn't it? Nope, wait. Sorry, I'm just talking to myself. Don't mind me. I'm sure you guys are used to this by now. Struggling to break above. Let's see what it does there. If this freaking wicks me out now. Nope, leave it alone. 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 Whee! My trade, sorry. No, stop that. There we go. It's all freaking 50-minute rate. Okay. Oh, my source, my logic. Over there. And break even my start. Thank you. Rockstar. 4. Continuation. We don't need big move. Must be hard to trade on stream with 100 different ideas coming all your way. Yeah, bounty it happens, but it's okay. This week 10 points for resisting the urge. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. I left, I'm back. It's Friday. You have fun. But it's okay. I'll be saying some rude words. Guys, you can buy now. Thanks. Anyways. Boy, no, I'm using the 1 minute time frame. Right, don't use words. Nope, just sorry, I don't know if you guys have heard that before. Nobody knows though, it's all I don't like the word gambling. Let's rather say guesstimation. I feel like guesstimation is nice. Hey, whoop whoop Tom. Nice, well done. Whoop whoop for Tom. So here's a whoop whoop for Tom, and then we'll do mine, which is also valid. Okay, I'm waiting for the fireworks. Give me a minute. Okay, now for me.
Emotional damage.
But it's fine. It's fine. What are we looking like? Back down to 51927. Ugh, like I said, this week feels low-key agonizing, but it's okay. We're just gonna continue. We're just gonna keep continuing onwards and upwards. Or down, whichever way. I wanted to see this break above nicely. Me. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Let me put that there. I know there's a lot going on. Sorry. There's a lot going on with this chart right now. I apologize. 24793 incoming. Interesting. Okay. Great rest of your trading. Aw, cheers, OTT. Enjoy. You're using the 30-minute. Nice. Couldn't get above that 50% daily wick or 50% 1 hour per value gap equals garish. Copy pasting. Nice weekend too. Crossbolt 2, win rate 50%. Spider win rate below 50 RR +1. Price slowing down again, minor pullback. First sellers got trapped, then buyers got induced. Yeah. Yay for me. Do I be dumb and do this? 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 I feel like it's dumb to do this. No, it's ranging. If I do anything now, it is gambling. Leave it alone. Leave it the heck alone. Retrace the 50% of that. Leave it. I'll be there something. 1, 2. Okay. Strong sellers though. LP do it. Double risk. What? Mikuwabe just midday chop. Basically is just midday chop. Okay. Last one for the day. Let's see if it tags me in. Low-key fading myself, but let's see if this works. What it looked like on the 5-minute again. Let's block out all the noise for a second. Not tapped into that. It would be nice to see it go further down. Maybe turn back down into that. Ooh, this is an M formation. $15. Okay. DJMI, please try swing trading, please. It's so much easier. Oh, what? Futures commodities. Well, we're in it. Let's see. Self-faded. I think the price is gonna reverse very soon, back up temporarily. That's great. Let's see if it does. Then you'll have officially seen me go tilt. It doesn't happen often, but here we are. Like I said, I'm self-fading. Screw it. 3, just change this to 1. Two. Three. Let's see. Hey Rex, what's up? What trading platform am I using? I'm using TradingView via TradeAbate. I'm taking you to breakfast with me. I'm having a blast. My wife is not here talking to telling me to stop talking to strangers. You know what, Southpaw? If you're having fun, then I am so happy for you. I think it was the error for my comment about scalping. No, it was probably about the self-fade or don't diddle in the middle, that one. Having an argument with the voices in your head and losing. argument. I don't have to do that to have an argument with the voices in my head. What are you talking about? I can do that. Sober. The voices are always there. Are they not always there for you? Just kidding. Just kidding. Anyways, guys, like I said, apparently I need the freaking support. I want to get a Tradify account. Oh my gosh. Anyways, like I said, there is a 30% discount currently happening on all accounts on Tradify, which is amazing. And a 40% discount going on 150k select accounts, which is typical. And you can use my now new affiliate code with Tradify, which is a Teach Maya. Sorry, I'm super excited about it. So no, I will not shut up about it yet because I have been dying to be affiliated with them. I'm super excited. Fiddling in the middle, but you can only see it on live chat. YouTube didn't like it. It was Patricia. I hear voices in my head. They talk to me. They understand. They talk to me. Which voice are you referring to? JBP? That's a very good question. There's a few. We're gonna have to give them names. Which one's the tilt one that lets the emotions win now and then? Which is probably not a good thing, but it is what it is. Frank, silly goose, thanks. Are we ready for the emotional damage one again? I'm so ready for it. The tilt one is regular. Yeah, that's fair. That's valid. That's valid. I cannot believe it. No, we're just a stupid thing. To be fair,
Emotional damage.
I could still do one more trade, but that feels like it's pushing it because my rule is 3 losses and I'm done. But that is pushing it. That's pushing it. See, guys, don't fade yourself. Don't fade yourself. Emotional damage happens. Okay. I'm locking myself out. I'm locking myself out before I actually do go on tilt and try one more time to get in on a long here. No. I'm convincing myself out of doing this. Yep, nope. Nope. Friday is not for tilting. I'm gonna have to sit on my hands. Actually, stop it, please. Smile and wait. Where's just smile and wait? Robocop, no 100%. So. Hey, Solly, me and you both had 2 lessons today. I'm putting this on the accountability. Okay. Put it off if your account survives this week. You have a bulletproof strategy to pull back on. Never going to blow an account. Huh. Well, yeah, it's definitely survived. I'm still good. Literally. I'm still good for a bit. Maybe a bit's pushing it, but yes. Take the long arm with you. No, Justin, don't come here and then give me ideas. Retest off of that damn SMT. Wait. Might come down lower. 3. Could this be the start? Sorry, I am trying to figure out the whole MMXM or Elliott wave or whatever you want to call it thing. So again, correct idea. Wrong range. Now that's interesting. Correct idea, wrong range. Sorry, I'm just taking a screenshot of this. There we go. 51% stop loss entry. Our general chat. Sedate monkey. Okay. Done. Oh, what happened? How long did it take? It's pushing. Look, don't chase it either. No, 100%. Actually, that's a good question. That's a really valid question, Solly. Would I even have been able to? That is very, very valid. Is this just pushed too high up? Let's quickly see. Yes. I would have been able to do one. And even one, but with two, it would have been 200. I guess I could have even maybe done two. Maybe that would have been pushing it though, because I could have lost more, but yeah. Could have maybe even been two contracts. Market seems to be taking a breather from the bearish week. Yes, sometimes I can't. 7, 8, 9 purple candles usually. Oh, what? You're an SMC intraday trader. What's up, Dilo? What's up? How you doing? Put her in a headlock, one trade away from passing. Yeah. Prashant, yes. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I lost a trade and then I went on tilt. I haven't gone on tilt in a very, very long time. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's not fine. No, it's fine. I'll get over it. We're pushing 2520. In my experience, I said chill out and relax with us. Nice, lucky. Well, oopsies. I lost my pillow. I can for a little bit. It's hands off now. Top step, increase their prices. Now I have to sell my other kidney. Damn, Robocop. How expensive are they? If they're more expensive than the 40% discount you would get with Tradeify, why don't you just use Tradeify? Sorry, I'm pushing it hard. It's just, like I said, it's because I'm really excited about the fact that I'm now officially affiliated with Tradeify. So if you guys do want, sorry, yes, it's not 40%. The 30% discount on Tradeify, you can now officially use my code. It's TeachMaya, all caps. I did pin it. Yeah, sorry. Whoop whoop to 500. Nice, Justin. Wait, hasn't it there yet? Hey, the Science Club. The Science Club's back. What up? Was close to 2500, but didn't take 2500. Wouldn't have been able to enter there. Very, very interesting. Okay. Price will be combined without the activation fee. Oh, that's interesting. 3 times last year, I believe, funded accounts 1 trade away from payouts. It's the pressure. GeoGuessr, what's that, Mikuwabe? Sorry, yeah, I guess. I did try and change my mindset. I think Monday I felt the pressure, which is why I think maybe I was, I don't know. Tuesday I changed mindset. It's fine. It's fine. Next week is a new week. Next week is a new week. Next week is a new week. Don't do something dumb now that you will regret. Next week is indeed a new week. It's frustrating, but it's a new week. It's okay. If it wasn't 3 AM for me, I would do that. It's going too slow, but surely. Let's see. There we go. 2500. Only 4 PM here, so just a lot of waiting around. YOLO. No, don't. No, stop it. I've already tilted. Don't now come at me with saying YOLO it. Lots of stops have been liquidated. Looking for one that sweeps downside, possibly. Oh, the land. You guys are too funny. Okay, I'm literally here watching for Justin's trade so I can whoop whoop for him. Because we are a supporting community. Even after whatever the heck I just pulled there. Okay, there's the 2500. Looks like the Suez Gold did shut down again. They delayed news. No wonder NFP didn't happen. No ways. No ways. It's actually on shutdown again. Has this ever happened that it's been shut down twice in... Oh, never mind. I was going to say twice in 1 year, but they shut down technically last year. Ninja, me and you, my man. We've got this. We've had a bad week. And that's okay. It happens. No. We've had a learning week. We've had a learning week. Oh my gosh, so close. Go, 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 go. 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 Did it get you? Justin, did it get you? Lucky, yes, you joined! Okay, have you one day I'll find you and get married, a couple of kids down the line. Now, I don't even know if I want kids. Sorry to burst some people's bubbles there. I have a child already. His name is Perry and I love him. Already took profit. Oh, well then whoop whoop. Well done, Justin. That is amazing. I feel you, Brenda. It's been rough, but these scars make us resilient in our future. I love it. Lucky, what did you learn? I mean, to be fair, I learned a lot this week. Like, do you want the specifics? But like I said, I learned a lot this week, but with regards to the trading, just gotta be patient for your setup. And even then, make sure that it's on the higher time frame, hasn't gone into anything in particular. Do some more homework, Solly, before I get yelled at about that. Brush up on some homework. Always check the higher, no, not so much the higher time frame. Sorry, that's not what I wanted to say. But I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. This is actually one of so many trades where I've taken the trade. It was an A+ set. Maybe I have to start looking at the B setups. The B setups have been working better than the A+ setups. That's interesting. Platypus, there we go. Mega onto it, but I get buried. Back testing DAX this weekend if anyone is keen for stats. Ooh, Ninja, go on then. Hey, Debbie. Yeah, I tilted. Yeah, but it's fine. It's okay. It's okay. Let's see. I'll probably also... I will do homework and back testing this weekend. Solly, don't come at me. So I might also hop on Discord. I will pop everyone a message if I do. If you guys want to do, just like hop on and chill. I'm keen for that always. I wish Ripple's here for that. Listen here. Hey Shani, I did. I always learn things. It sucks, but I do. I'm 700 away from blowing my funded account. I was sacrificed on the altar of silver. No, Robocop. Have you also locked yourself out? I literally figure it out and learn. There we go. A kiddie pull over here compared to the jungle of silver. You know, honestly, Robocop, I think you will be like, ah, this is easy peasy. Okay. Okay. Let me go scream into a pillow. No, I'm joking. I'm not gonna do that. Or am I? No, I'm kidding. I won't do that. But again, guys, thank you for the support. You guys, as always, you guys are so amazing. Definitely a learning week. Price action. Okay, to be fair, the price action just also hasn't exactly been friendly this week. I am very well aware of that. But, you know, still gotta... let's not say risk it. Risk it sounds bad, but you still gotta continue, you know, keep on carrying on. But we continue. I will be back next week, Monday through Friday, London and New York session open. Let's do this. I love you guys madly. I'll hop on Discord this weekend, do some backtesting. If you guys do want to chill, I'm always down. Love you guys madly. If you're not part of Discord, join one last time because I can now officially say it. I am affiliated with Tradeify. If you guys want to show some love and support, I will also be down uploading, popping it in, whatever, into the Discord. There's a 30% sale going on until the 15th of Feb on all accounts on Tradeify, and you can use my code, which is TeachMaya. Sorry, like I said, I'm way too excited about that, but I love you guys madly. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are the best. I will then see you next week. Go touch some grass, take a little bit of a breather. Definitely for me, so that if... Anyways, I love you guys madly. See you next week. Bye.